Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to give one word which is Hypnopedia. It means learning during sleep by using recordings. It is also used for to teach a foreign language to someone who is asleep. Basically it is very common word, but we know it as a sleep learning. And to be honest, I have also tried this method when I was in 10th standard and 12th standard, and it helped me a lot. So I feel that you should try it. Now come to the point. There are two cue cards. First is a skill that takes a longer time to learn. In this cue card, you can use this word as I was learning English communication skill and I have tried Hypnopedia method to improve my communication skill. Another cue card is something that helps you concentrate. In that also you can mention this as a method that I have tried Hypnopedia method to improve my concentration. One more example I am giving you is that I tried Hypnopedia to learn English pronunciation and it helped me a lot. I also suggest my students to try Hypnopedia to learn any foreign language. Now it's time for your task. Make one sentence using this word and share in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.